In certain lines of work, you have to be a professional. And that's why I'm here today with the iPhone 11 Professional. We're gonna see if we're pro enough for these 3 cameras as we check it out in another super cool unboxing. Alright, so we got the iPhone Pro 11. 11 Pro. This is the middle tier one space-wise. I have the 256 gig here because I don't need the 512, but the 64 wasn't enough. So this is kind of what you get stuck with when you get the higher end. So there is technically usually a plastic wrap around the phone. Spoiler alert, I had to open it because of this crazy SIM card stuff that happened at the Apple store with T-Mobile. I don't want to get into it, so let's just get into the phone. Take the top cover off, boom. But you still got the plastic on it. It's still fresh, y'all. It's still fresh and clean. This is the iPhone 11 Pro. So this is the space gray. I forgot to mention that. I wasn't going for the mint green, but it sold out in like 3 seconds. So it was like wait an extra week or just get a different color. And I'm actually happy with my decision. I really think the space gray looks good. I think it looks better this year. I feel like it's a little bit darker, in my opinion. And then, of course, the bezels are dark as well. That's where this color comes from, the space gray. Because we all know it's really black. Just like the gold is really pink. Don't trick us, Apple. It's pink, all right? What else is in the box? Your instructions, of course, and you get your famous Apple stickers. They make the phone go faster. Make sure to put them on. All right, you get a SIM card tool. So if you're on a network that uses SIM cards, you can just pop that baby out. Woo! This kind of gives you some quick information about the phone. None of this is that important except for the stickers. I like to put them on things. They're useful. They're decorative. Come on. You want Apple stickers all over the back of your car? I'm not one of those people. I'm not. I promise I'm not one of those people. I don't put Apple stickers on my car. All right, and then you get your broke people budget Apple headphones that have the lightning connector. I'm just curious to see if they're any different. Nope, they're not. Same old thing. I literally haven't used these. Like I have probably 2 pairs that are still in this little cardboard thing. I just have Bluetooth headphones, y'all. Alright, and then we got our fast charger, because that's one of the differences with the Pro. You get the fast charger, so you get the little power brick, and then your lightning cable is going to be a USB-C to lightning. That's what connects to the fast charger. It's also more convenient if you have a more modern laptop that has USB-C, because you can just connect it directly to the USB-C port instead of having to use like a USB-A adapter, especially because if you have a MacBook, you don't have USB-A anymore, and that's the more rectangular one, for those of you that's wondering. And that's it for the box. So let's go ahead and get this out of the plastic. Ooh. It's looking gorgeous. So the reason that I upgraded this year, I know I said I wasn't going to upgrade. I lied. I lied again. Known liar. Alright, I lied. But I had the XS Max from last year. And the real reason I upgraded was because I hated the size of it. So I went with the more reasonable 5.8 inch. Because last year I actually had the XS regular for a week. I came off the 7 Plus. And I was like, this phone is too small for me. I need to go back to that size. And there was just something about the Max that was just unwieldy. Anyway, I'm going to do a cut as I set this phone up, get it powered on, and that way we can have a little bit quick look at the OS. Back, my phone is still a little bit restoring. You know, you got them grayed out icons, but I got the dark mode on. I'm really liking it. To me, the one thing I noticed, it is more striking with the dark mode, but I feel like the screen overall pretty much looks the same as the XS and the XS Max from last year. I really like this dark mode. I'm really feeling this dark mode, y'all. I'm really liking it. It's a little bit gorge. Alright, it's a little bit gorgeous. It's so funny. Like, this is not like a big iOS upgrade, but dark mode is +10. Oh no. Oh, my fitness pal widget is it's ugly. Other than that, it does feel a bit snappier. So I notice it right off the bat when I'm playing with it, but I have spent a whole year with the XS Max, and I literally just got rid of it today. I'm on the upgrade program, so I have to trade it in to get this phone. So I noticed the snappiness right away, but it's not really that big of an upgrade. So a lot of the stuff is with the camera, so we can for sure pull that up if I can find it. Gives you some information about the new camera features. That's cool. Continue. I capture a quick photo with the camera. So this is the default. This is the Ultra. This is a telephoto. Let's do a quick, oops, my finger wasn't blocking it. Boom, quick video. See how ugly everything in the background is. Ultra wide. I'm liking this a lot. Like, you just get so much more in the scene. And then this is the telephoto. This is kind of blurry a little bit. I think it's just because, I mean, it looks really good. Like, the cameras are good, but the cameras last year were good as well. So again, not really a selling point for me on the phone. I just wanted the smallest phone possible this year. I'm cleansing myself. I would have honestly considered getting the 11 because the 11 was looking really good this year too. This is to give you a better look at the 3 cameras. You have your 3 camera array. I already fingerprinted this thing up. It's bad. Then you got your Apple logo, which is a little bit down. There's no iPhone or anything on the back. I think from the back, best looking iPhone so far. I know like other manufacturers, especially like Samsung, have been on top of the design. But this is a damn good looking phone still. Even with the notch thing that people hate. It doesn't personally bother me. But it is what it is. Anyway, I think if you're on last year's phone or even the 10, maybe not much of a reason to upgrade. I've upgraded for my own personal reasons. But if you do upgrade, I still think it's a good phone. But if you enjoyed this video, remember to tell a friend, tell a coworker, like, share, and subscribe. And of course, I'm going to take you out with a phenomenal slow-mo camera from the back this time, instead of doing a slow feed. So let's get it.